So, I'm going on a hike in my local park. Oh my gosh, is it beautiful? And so, I'm almost to the top of this hill where once you get up there, you go around this one thicket and my God, it's beautiful. So, I do really love nature. And I just got out of my med check because I'm on fluoxetine. And exercise really helps. And I get to see all this beautiful nature. So, that's a plus. Hair's driving me nuts. Oh, jeez. Just look at that. Just so beautiful. So, this is snowmobiling route. So, and there is private property signs up here. So I've got to stay off those. But it's still so goddamn beautiful up here. Just kind of has magical feel to it. And I know that a lot of kids are in the cities and, they don't have access to beautiful things like this. And it makes me sad. Because, everybody should be able to see how beautiful nature can be. How you can almost feel the magic. So, it is early August, so pretty soon it's starting to get a bit chillier, though still t-shirt weather and shorts, but it's just beautiful up here. No matter, what time of season, just don't want to come up here in winter. It's a pain in the but hiking up that huge hill with all that snow, I do not recommend it. Alright, so look at this. So we're getting pretty close to my favorite spot, and really hoping you guys will like it. I've already filmed a video up there. That was the one with the first episode that my brother came in. So yeah. So just go through this path. One side's light, the other side's dark. Alright. Holes kind of ruin it, but oh well. It's still really beautiful. See, there's these rocks. Can go farther down there, but I'm not going to because I'm on a bit of a time stretch. There's a geocache. Yeah, but it's just so beautiful up here, you know? So, thank you all for joining me on my little adventure. I will see you in the next video. Peace out, peeps.